Hello. We are going to continue talking about the amazing creatures of Hashem, insects. Last week we began talking about how insects start being born in the season of spring, which we're finishing off, and then they continue to grow in the summer. And we talked about some amazing things about their bodies. Let's go and take a look. So, we talked about how they have three body parts. The head, and the head is on top, and that's where you see the antennae and the eyes poking out. The head is important because that's where their brain is, but also that's how they sense things, they see things, they smell things, they taste things. The next part, the middle part, is their thorax. Their thorax is what holds their whole body together. This is where their legs come out. This is how they can move. Very important part. And the last part is their abdomen. The abdomen is really, really important because without it, without the abdomen, they cannot eat. They're not that they can't eat, they can eat, but their stomach grinds on them. They can go to the bathroom. So every part of the insect is really important. It all comes together. But that was just a review. Today we're going to learn something new. So here, Mor Rivki is showing you 5 insects. And you're going to see something they all have in common. Let's count their legs. Today we're going to talk about their legs and their skeletons. We're going to start off with their legs. I'm going to count the legs. Let's see how many legs this ant has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ant has 6 legs. Let's count the ladybug's legs. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's count the bee's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So far, everybody has got 6 legs. Let's count this animal's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to imagine the other one is on the other side, so it's 6. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This grasshopper has 6 legs. That's really interesting. They all have 6 legs. Do you know what else about the legs? Did you notice? The legs are not all together on one side. They're divided evenly. 3 on one side and 3 on another side. I want to sing a song. It's an insect, not a spider. It has 6 legs instead of 8. 3 on this side and 3 on that side, and it's crawling on your plate. So, you should know, any bug or creature you see that you think, is that an insect? Then you count the legs and it doesn't have 6 legs. It is not an insect. Whatever it might be, it's not an insect. And spiders have 8 legs. Spiders are not insects. Spiders belong to another family called arachnids, but we're not going to learn about them. And look what we have over here. This is really cool. This is the skeleton of an insect. Every animal, and not just animals, human beings, we all have skeletons. I'm touching my skeleton. I'm touching my cheekbones. I'm touching my skeleton. Can you touch your skeleton? When you look at your body, can you see your skeleton? I can't see my skeleton, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to pop some things here. Can you see my skeleton? You might be able to. When I do certain things, when I push certain things up, I can see my skeleton on my hands, but I can't really see my skeleton. Now, that's because my skeleton is inside and it's all covered up. The insect skeleton, on the other hand, yes, there's color, but it's on the outside. And you know what we call a skeleton that's on the outside? It's called an exoskeleton. Can you say exoskeleton? Let's clap our hands to the words. Exoskeleton. 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 That means exo means outside. Skeleton means the skeleton is on the outside. That's why if you ever, by mistake, I hope, never on purpose, step on an ant, or you step on a roach, or you step on some kind of insect, you'll hear a crunch crunch because you just stepped on the skeleton. Because the skeleton is on the outside, not on the inside. And this is all for today about Hashem's amazing creatures. Bye!